Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to schedule an automatic shutdown in Windows 11. Perfect if you want to save power or shut down after a task like a download. We'll go step by step using Task Scheduler, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's set up your shutdown schedule stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and type Task Scheduler in the search bar, then press Enter. In Task Scheduler, click Create Basic Task on the right sidebar. Name your task like Auto Shutdown and click Next. Choose Daily and click Next. Then set the time you want your PC to shut down, like 10 p.m. Click Next, select Start a Program, click Next again. In the program Script Field Type Shutdown, this tells Windows to shut down immediately. Click Next, then Finish. One tip, if the shutdown doesn't happen, ensure no apps are blocking it, save your work beforehand to avoid interruptions. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments why you scheduled a shutdown. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.